J Raymine back with another video. Hey guys, J Raymine back with another video. Today's video is not gonna be a vlog video. It's actually gonna, can you guys see me? Hey, how you doing? It's gonna be more so of a haul, like a little grocery haul. I went grocery shopping today just to get some things to supplement whatever I bought week before last. Anyhow, I just wanted to show you guys what I got. I know some of you guys like watching haul videos, and if you didn't know it, every other Monday I post Dollar Tree haul videos, so that playlist will be linked above where that little eye is. And yeah, welcome back to my channel. If you are subscribed, I miss you guys. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe because I make weekly videos, lifestyle content, all that good stuff, chit chat, all that. Anyhow, let's get to it. I'm not gonna keep you guys here long, and yeah, let's get to it. Whatever I can find at Kroger. So picked up at Publix. This is a Pepperidge Farm Italian white loaf bread, and it has no high fructose corn syrup. That's one of the main reasons why I got that. I'm not a real big bread eater, but when I do, I try and get it from the deli or get something that doesn't have any corn syrup in it. And I got some, what is this? Oven roasted turkey, a half a pound of top round roast beef, and some provolone cheese. So I'll be using that to make sandwiches this week. I'm gonna try and eat a little bit lighter, being that it's getting warm outside. And a lot of times when it's warm outside, I get, I don't know, I really don't have an appetite when it gets warm outside. But that's what I got from Publix. Kroger, I got Land O'Lakes. That is the whipped butter spread. I sometimes get the Kroger whipped butter with canola oil also. That's pretty good also. I got the Country Time pink lemonade on the go packets. I didn't see the regular lemonade, so I just got the pink lemonade. I believe that was, these are 10 for 10 if I'm not mistaken. They are 10 for 10. And I got the, of course, the Knorr brand chicken bouillon. I believe this is 79 cents with 8 cubes in it. I use that to make broth and also add it to my rice and noodles. Let's see. I got one onion. I'm gonna cut that up and put it in the freezer. One green bell pepper. Cut that up as well and put it in the freezer. If you don't know, if you haven't seen any of my cooking vlogs, I like to cut up my fresh vegetables and put them in the freezer, and those are always on my grocery list. So I used some pasta sauce yesterday. I made some pasta sauce yesterday, so I'm replenishing. So I got one thing of tomato sauce, and I really don't care what brand of tomato sauce and all that stuff. I love this orange juice. Some people prefer a different brand, but I don't mind drinking the store brand orange juice from Kroger. It's good to me. One crown of broccoli, one broccoli crown. I'm going to blanch that and cut it up and put it in the freezer. 3 baking potatoes. I believe they were 79 cents a pound. That's about the average price for Kroger. I don't know. Let me check. Yeah, they were, what are they? 73 cents a pound. I'm sorry. And a dozen eggs. You guys, eggs have been going up in price. And I'm like, for real, what's going on with the chickens? I got the Coffee Mate, what is it? The no refrigeration needed. The original, cholesterol free, lactose free. And it's 24 of these in there. And I keep them on the countertop next to the coffee maker. And I like to get those because I don't have to worry about anything spoiling in the refrigerator. And last but not least, just got myself an extra stick of deodorant. They were 10 for 10. They didn't have any more of the powder fresh, so I just got the one that they did have. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, so basically that was my haul video, and thank you guys for watching. And as usual, have a beautiful day and have a beautiful life, and I hope that you're getting out there enjoying the springtime weather. I know it's been a little stormy in a lot of places, but nevertheless, it's springtime. find something to get into and enjoy your life. So yeah, thanks for watching again. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys soon.